geometric shapes. Let's draw and paint them together. First, I'm drawing a hexagon. Please try to draw with me. Now I'm drawing a rhombus. It's so much fun to draw and paint geometric shapes. Let's draw a square here. Now I'm drawing a pentagon. I'm drawing a rectangle here. Let's draw an ellipse here. And I'm drawing a triangle. Finally, I'm drawing a circle. Red color. Let's paint the hexagon with red color. Green color. Let's paint the rhombus with green color. Let's paint the square with blue color. Let's paint the pentagon with yellow ochre color. Let's paint the rectangle with yellow color. Let's paint the ellipse with orange color. Let's paint the triangle with green color. Let's paint the circle with red color. Look at those colorful geometric shapes. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.